If you could delete one question people always ask you, what would that be?
So इस फिल्म से जो आपने कम बैक किया है, how do you feel? What do you think about your comeback? I mean, that word just really...
No, come back.
Oh God,
I'm here to
that
stay.
annoys me, yes.
If your pet could talk for exactly 5 minutes,
Oh.
what would you ask them first? And what will they secretly be scared?
If they feel loved. You know, क्योंकि हम इतना travel करते हैं ना, and then they're left alone.
Yeah.
So I think सबसे पहले मुझे actually I do have a feeling that one of them is depressed.
Explain Instagram to someone from the year 1800.
There'll be a time when you will pick up this piece of plastic where you'll be able to see how everyone is having such an amazing time except that
You.
you're not.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hello everyone, this is Divya and I'm back with Chitrangna, and this time she has yet another project with yet another great role. We have been talking about your projects and everything, but we have a segment for you.
Good.
It's called Ridiculous Revelations. These are some stupid, senseless questions. And
Okay.
let's see
I'll
how
try
you
and give
answer them.
senseless answers. Okay.
So if one of your characters could judge you as a person, who would be the harshest?
Oh my God. Who would be the harshest? Meera Bansal. My God, she will be so harsh. Too much honesty. Yeah.
If your pet could talk for exactly 5 minutes,
Oh.
what would you ask them first? And what will they secretly be scared?
What will I ask my pet first?
Yes.
I will ask them if they feel loved. You know, क्योंकि हम इतना travel करते हैं ना, and then they're left alone.
Yeah.
So I think सबसे पहले मुझे actually I do have a feeling that one of them is depressed.
Because you're not spending time.
I think so. One of them, his name is
Yeah.
Buster. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो थोड़ा सा quiet सा हो गया. So first thing I'll ask this, and
Yeah.
then what did he say उसके बाद? आपने क्या पूछा?
What do you think what will you be scared of if they say that?
If they say that you know आप हमें अकेला छोड़ के जाते हो, and then
And we
we
don't
feel,
feel- yeah.
that we feel, I think that would really break my heart. Yes.
Explain chemistry test to two strangers who are forced to share one chair.
A chemistry test, मतलब like
If there are two strangers
Okay.
and they have to share one chair, how would you
Okay.
explain the word chemistry test to them?
oh damn, like between two people,
Yes.
chemistry. How will I explain to them a chemistry test? Chemistry test, matlab, and you have to share a chair together.
Yes.
The test would be if they keep thinking, अगर वो ये सोचेंगे कि दूसरा वाला comfortable है मुझ कि नहीं है, I think सबसे important चीज़ वो होगी.
Right.
So if both of them are thinking whether मैं थोड़ा सा खिसकूँ या तुम थोड़े से खिसको, you know, within that you will know chemistry है कि नहीं है.
Right. What's one food you eat like there's no tomorrow, but judge others for doing that?
Oh, but judge others for doing that. Oh damn. I love cherries.
Okay.
Okay, and I eat a lot, like matlab I can finish packets after packets, but if I watch somebody else eating cherries, it's very annoying because वो खा के बाहर it's annoying. Yeah.
Yes. If you could delete one question people always ask you, what would that be?
So इस फिल्म से जो आपने comeback किया है, how do you feel? What do you think about your comeback? I mean, that word just really...
No, come back.
Oh God,
I'm here to
that
stay.
annoys me. Yes.
Would you rather act with a co-star who keeps improvising or one who refuses to blink?
No, just improvising. Yeah, it's so much like it's your breathing. It's alive. Yeah.
If you were a vegetable for a day, what would you be?
Oh, it has to be a really nice looking vegetable. What's a nice looking vegetable? I don't know. Ladyfinger.
Yes,
Most delicate.
delicate. If your character refused to come out after you pack up, which one would be the hardest to live with?
Meera Bansal.
Again.
She'll be the hardest to live with, I think,
Yeah.
you know. I think the most interesting to live with will be Inkar, the Maya Luthra, the character
Oh,
played
yes.
in Inkar. I think she'll be the coolest one to live
Yeah.
with, yeah.
If humans came with a mute button, when would you use it?
Oh God, when people start talking about what cars they have and,
You're not into
where
cars.
have they gone shopping and how much they bought what for,
Yes.
that'll be a mute button. Yeah, absolutely.
I don't want to listen to that.
I mean, it's just, it's, yeah.
Explain Instagram to someone from the year 1800.
From the year 1800. There'll be a time when you will pick up this piece of plastic, or I don't know, plastic, yeah, which piece of metal, where you'll be able to see how everyone is having such an amazing time, except that they're
You.
not. So that is where you will see.
Yeah.
So it'll be the biggest showcase window that everybody will carry.
And they wouldn't want to go there.
And they'll be like, no, we don't want showcase windows. No,
Yes.
no.
The last one is convince us that naps can help in character development.
Naps. So jaएं. Oh, in character development.
Yes.
How do I prove that? मतलब आपने क्या पूछा? I didn't understand.
Do you think that can happen?
Oh,
Maybe in the dreams.
I don't know if naps can only help because then you'll stop thinking for some time, so you wake up fresh. That's the
Fresh,
only thing that
yes.
can happen. But yeah, it's a great idea to take a nap if it's a hectic film.
Lovely.
Must do that, yeah.